How to remove subtitles in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. You will find subtitles in orange color in the timeline above your video. Now, simply click on the text above your video in the timeline, and on the right side, you'll find the text option. If you want to delete one text, simply delete it. But if you want to delete the whole subtitle, you can click on it in the timeline and then click on delete button on your keyboard. After you click on delete button on your keyboard, it will be deleted. And this is how to remove subtitles in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.